Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you USB-C hub. This is 13-in-1 triple display USB-C hub. Let's go ahead and look at it. First of all, we have one Ethernet input, one DP input. There is mini SD card input and SD card input. We have 4 USBs on this side. On the other side, there are 2 HDMI inputs. Those are 4K and one USB also. And the other one is USB-C input. There is one audio port right there. We're gonna go ahead and test it out. I have Microsoft Surface. Let me go ahead and turn it on. Alrighty, let's go ahead and put the USB-C hub right there. Wait a little bit. It's gonna recognize. And then let me go ahead and put the HDMI port. There's one there. And the other one is there. I put 2 of them. Let's see how it's gonna react. And then I'm gonna put the USB dongles. One of them is for the mouse, the other one is for the keyboard. I'm gonna go ahead and insert it there. And the other one right there. Let's see. Now it's working. And the keyboard is good. I'm gonna put 2 USB flash drive also. Now it's recognizing very fast right there. Let me go ahead and extend the screen for 3 of them. It is also very fast right there. 3 screens together. The most important thing, I didn't put any AC adapter for the USB-C hub. You don't need to worry about the AC adapter for the USB-C hub. This is very small, as you see. It's not also heavy. It's very light. This has almost everything that you need. Here is the comparison with my key. This is very small and portable. Let's look at the box. HD port 4K, HD port 4K, DP port 4K, 3 USB 3.0, and 1 audio port, 1 Ethernet port, and 2 USB 2.0 ports, and PD 3.0 support up to 100 watts, and SD and mini SD card. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next video.